My name is Angel J. Martinez, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a base for your hair system. So the reason I'm creating a base is because I send it to the sponsors, LaVivid hair replacement systems. You can find them on Instagram, and they pre-style it for you and pre-cut it for you, so that way once you receive it, all you have to do is put the glue on, slap that on your head, and then boom, you're all good to go. You don't have to do the long process. So the ingredients that you're gonna need for this is saran wrap, the big kind, so that way it can cover your whole head. You will need Scotch tape. If you can get the medical Scotch tape, that's a little bit more sturdy and stronger, that would be better, but this is the best I had, so this is what I'm gonna work with. You need a permanent marker, so I have a Sharpie permanent marker, and then a pair of scissors, okay? So I'm just gonna be showing you guys a tutorial on how to create a base, and this was sent to me by them, and they're the ones who taught me how to do it. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.
I have good news. My wig is here! I've been waiting so long for this damn wig. I'm so excited. Hey everyone, it's me again. So I'm in the process of doing my hair. I'm actually going to have the actual hair topper on my head, the toupee. So here is what my actual hair looks like now. So as you can see, I'm balding from the top, and I just have the long sides. So I'm gonna be making videos throughout the process to show you how the toupee actually works. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the process is I have to cut off the top of my hair that matches with the base of my toupee. So here's the base of my toupee, and I pretty much, well, my hairstylist, which is also my cousin, she's out there somewhere, but she matched it to the base of my head, so that's gonna go on. She's gonna do some trimming and fixing, but as you can see, you have to cut off the back, the sides, kind of like a little old man, and make it completely bald, so that way the adhesive, and this is the adhesive that I'm using for this, because I like to use clear adhesives, especially because this is a skin cap and it's super thin, or it's a little bit thicker than the thinnest ones, but I like to use clear ones so it doesn't go through, you don't see it when I take it off or do anything like that. But if you can see clearly, it's pretty much just keeping the sides together. All right, I'm gonna proceed to the next step. Alright, so we put some of this adhesive on the actual hair system, so if you can see there, and we put just a little bit to dab up on my scalp, and we're gonna add it onto my head now. Okay, and we have to measure it around the head, make sure the bald spots are showing. She cuts it up to make it even to my side hair and make it look a little bit natural. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so the glue is now actually on my head, on the hair piece. All we're gonna do is cut the sides, make it blend, make it even, but as you can see, it is not going anywhere no time soon. Quite frankly, I really like it. We're at the actual haircut process where she's cutting, trimming, making it look a little bit more natural. All right, everyone, and I'm done. It's it. It's on my head. This is my hair. And this is what the end result looks like. This hair ain't going nowhere. It's all mine. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Comment, share, like, subscribe. I want to give a big shout out to my cousin, Adriana. She is amazing. She styled all of this, made it look natural, put it on my head, added the adhesive, did all of that for me. So I just want to give her a big shout out and say thank you. I love it. Do you guys? Let me know what you think. Bye. Here's an update. My hair is still intact. That glue that I put on is amazing. This skin cap, it's not a lace front, it's a skin cap. It fits so perfectly on my head. So I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the wig itself. So I went through LaVivid. They actually pre-cut the entire thing and they styled it for me so that I didn't have to do anything to it besides the tiny adjustments that my hairstylist had to do. So I strongly recommend you guys look them up. They're on Instagram. I'm going to comment the link below. Take a look at them. Order some stuff. I will also insert a link so that you guys can get discounts if you decide to go with the hair. It looks 100% natural and it makes me feel so good. This one is by far the best hair system I've ever had, and I'm honestly not just saying that. Like, I want you guys to truly take a look. This looks like my hair. I've never had anything so close to perfection as I have right now. This is by far my favorite. They are the easiest people to work with. They're amazing, and I'm saying just give them a try. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. Ciao.